Hey friends, if you encounter this error where printer is not accepting the print command, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. So the first solution is to run the printer troubleshooter. Right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Go to the system tab. In the right pane, scroll down and select troubleshoot. Select other troubleshooters and then click on run corresponding to the printer troubleshooter. The next solution is to restart the print spooler service. Search for services in the Windows search bar and open services. Okay, and then you can scroll down to the print spooler service, right click on it and select restart. The last solution is to update the printer drivers. So search for device manager in the Windows search bar and open the device manager. And now you can expand the list for printer drivers. Now I don't have the printer drivers, so I'll show it over a different set of drivers. Simply right click on it and select update driver. So that's how you can update the printer drivers. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.